look I created using yung mga products. Most of the products na hindi ko pa nabablog or hindi ko pa nagagawa ng review sa vlog. So, since sumahaba na yung backlog of products ko na gagawa ng review, I thought of putting everything in one video para mas mabilis na. Actually, excuse ko lang kasi mas parang tinatamad ako magsulat kaysa mag-edit ng video. Since super busy lately, it's hard for me to find time to prepare like yung vlog post talaga. So, yeah, I think much better if I do one video, talk about the products, para isang go na lang after editing. So, para-paraan lang yan. Since most of the products here, medyo appropriate siya sa natural makeup or casual makeup, ito lang yung nagawa ko. So, if you guys want to know more about the products, then just keep on watching. Clip muna tayo ng hair. Walang storbo. I think this will be a very casual video. I'll start with my primer. Currently, I have two primers. Yung from Arita It's a Korean brand. And then, I'm also using, this one is from L'Oreal. Going to use this one. Itong True Match na to, I'm gonna use it on another video featuring L'Oreal base products. So, watch out. Baka next year lumabas. Sobrang busy ko ngayon. Let me prime my lips first. Nalo kami ng friend ko sa Instagram giveaway ng Makeup Forever. So, I got one of their liquid lipsticks and kasama siya sa kit nito. Tapos, gawin na siya. Wala siyang ganong scent, pero I could tell meron pero hindi siya sweet or whatever. No tint whatsoever. On the lips, para siyang typical lip balm, but more on the petroleum jelly side. Going in with my primer. This primer, silicone-based siya. You can feel na may silicone dun sa formula. Right off the bat, you can see na parang creamy siya. Pero pag binlend mo na siya, hindi din naman siya ganun ka-silicone na straight up silicone like yung Maybelline for baby Keme. I don't know if you guys could tell, but mattify niya yung skin. This one walang scent. Hindi ko gano'n napapansin na may oil control properties siya. Since kasi yung ginagamit kong base ngayon for ganung purpose din eh. So, it's hard to tell which one is working. For my base makeup, I'm going to use Bello tinted sunscreen. Nauso ngayon yung mga tinted sunscreens, no? Ito, dinala ko to nung nag-El Nido kami. Siyempre, mag-beach ka, di ba? Pero, alam mo yun, parang gusto mo naman kahit paano. Parang hindi ka magmukhang zombie sa photo. Something to cover up those dark circles, yung blemishes, ganyan. Although, pag lublub mo sa tubig, wala na yun. Parang instead of putting concealer, foundation, BB cream, whatsoever, sabi ko, sige, tinted sunscreen na lang. Pero yung maliit lang, kasi gusto ko muna i-try. As you know, as I mentioned in my skincare video, medyo sensitive yung skin ko sa sunscreen or sunblock formula. So, this one has SPF 50. Para siyang beige na sunscreen. That's how I describe it. Na may konting coverage, it will give you an even skin tone somehow. May bigger version ito, and it's really affordable. So, consistency niya, hindi siya runny, hindi siya liquid. Yung, di ba pag may sunscreen ka, parang pag nilagay mo siya parang liquid almost. Hindi siya ganon. Muna ka sa kabilang side. Just to show you kung ano ba yung binibigay niyang coverage. Wala, diba? Parang pulbos, parang ganun. Parang sobrang light coverage lang. But pero once it sets, after 1 minute, 2 minutes, kita ko na parang may nilagay ako. This is not my bare skin. Cover yung pores. Tsaka, medyo even yung skin tone dito. Although yung veins ko, yung dark spots ko, they still peek through. Ano, kita pa din na. Tsaka matte siya. Yun yung maganda sa kanya. Feels like on the skin, it improves the appearance of my skin overall. If you need more help sa imperfection, sa mga sumpa, use concealer. Although one problem that I could think of if I use this, pag may flash kasi diba, tapos may SPF, nag-white cast siya. Yeah, meron siya. Next is concealer. So this is what I'm going to use. It reminds me of Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Parang thicker yung Fit Me kaysa dito. Apart from the shade being not my concealer shade, hindi ko rin gusto yung ano niya overall. For my concealer, I'm going to use a sponge. So this is my cute sponge from Althea. parang mas maputi pa yung belo. Dito siya concealer shade. Maganda lang sa kanya, no effort needed para i-blend out siya ng maayos. Doesn't look dry sa under eyes. For like light makeup, minsan to na lang ginagamit ko as may base, tapos may concealer talaga ako separate. So, in summary, sobrang light coverage for a concealer. So, to set everything, though I think I won't need too much powder kasi walang tackiness at all. So, I'm just going to put powder sa usual area lang. I'm using pala yung loose powder ni Althea, yung Petal Velvet line, yung beige shade. I like this powder formula. Sobrang ganda niya. Tsaka long lasting talaga. Nagsistay talaga siya sa buong araw. Sa oily part nung face, hindi ganun ka long lasting. Pero yung sa under eyes, parang may feel ko, ay, nandun pa din yung powder. Maganda siyang pang set. Since naputol yung Maybelline eyebrow pencil ko, ginagamit ko na lang yung brush. May Watson kasi sa baba, so check lang ako ng eyebrow. Pero ito lang yung available dun na parang okay yung shade. And wala, overall, sabi ko, sige, yun na lang. This one is from Ever Belena. Yung parang pencil type na slanted na crayon, which I prefer. Mas nadalian ako gamitin yung gantong slanted crayon tip. Mas madali mag-shape ng brows for me. Tsaka I have brow hairs din naman. So, hindi ko kailangan yung mga mag-fake-fake nung strands. This one, unlike regular brow crayon, di ba spoolie type yung dumi, no? Spoolie type yung kasama niya. This one, paddle brush. So, ayan siya. Ang liit lang. Naglabas yung Fenty Beauty ng brow product nila eh. And parang ganito din yung nilagay nilang pang-blend. Ewan ko, uso ba yung ganito? Hindi agad ako nagtatapon nung mga crayons na ganito. Kasi pwede pa magamit yung fully. Yung brow routine ko lately, ayoko yung masyadong talagang finifill ng brow crayon. I have this, yung Revlon brow crayon. It's like a jumbo crayon, no? Pero hindi siya ganun same effect like the crayon that I have here. Para siyang pomade, parang ganun. I have the shade pala soft brown. And it doesn't give you that strong color. Yung ginagamit ko pang fill in. And then pang shape, eto na. What I do, I put first itong crayon. Para niyang binasa yung brows ko. Ganun yung effect. So, now that I have it filled in, I'm going to use yung pencil to shape. And then, I'm going to use the brush! So, ito, blend ko lang siya. This one, it's pigmented. Pero, hindi ko nang parang nagustuhan yung color na pinili ko. This one is, wala yung shade dito. Medyo dark brown kasi siya. Mahirap niya talaga gamitin. Hindi ko sure but, kasi hindi siya nakakasuklay nung hair. That's why. Parang, ang hirap niya blend ng color. If may mas sanay dyan ng paddle brush, baka mag-working sa inyo. Pero, mas sanay ako mag-spoolie. Let me just go in again. Yeah. I'm finished with my brows. As you can see, yung effect niya, parang talagang looking as hair pa din siya. Hindi siya yung parang dinrawing talaga. Using this alone, it creates yung natural brows lang. With this one, mas defined lang konti. Kasi mas nasa-shape mo din naman siya. Para silang hindi long lasting. Ako, sa akin okay lang. Every time na dinadala ko siya, nasisira talaga siya. Tingnan niyo. This one is from Misha. Gusto ko yung brown colors niya. Perfect to pag dinala mo. Pag umalis kasi ganito lang yung dala mo for eyeshadow. Tapos okay na yung color niya for natural look. Ang ganda pa ng transition shade niya. Pwede rin pang contour ng nose. So okay siya. Kaso yun nga, dali niya masira. Very powdery siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented. I usually start mixing both yung light color and yung light brown. The brush I'm using is from Wet n Wild. Luma. Sobrang luma na. Pero favorite ko itong pang blend ng eyeshadow. So hindi siya ganun ka-pigmented like I said. But that's also okay because you can like be gradual sa pag lagay mo ng eyeshadow. So, I'm just focusing on putting it dito. So, back and forth motion. Blend everything out. Ulit. Medyo nakulangan ako dun sa dark brown. So, I'm going to dip the same brush sa light brown and sa dark brown. I think that's it. Now, to tightline my eyes, I don't have pencil eyeliner here. So, yung ginagawa ko, isa sa mga lagi kong ginagawa pag nag-eye makeup ako is itong paggamit ng dark brown color sa lash line. Now that my eyes are done, yeah, simpleng brown eye makeup. Sobrang powdery ng eyeshadow, parang makalat. Nakuha ko lang to sa H&M. It's actually a lip liner, pero ginagamit ko siya sa waterline. Kasi siya light, parang nude pink, parang ganun. Instead of using a white eyeliner, I prefer using yung ganitong mga color para hindi siya ganun ka dull looking effect, pero it gives the same illusion na mas open yung eyes, mas malaki. Actually, it stays on matagal. Itong ano na to, lip liner. Siyempre ko pa nga ito nagamit to as lip liner. So it's been almost an hour since nung nag-apply ako ng makeup base. As you can see, hindi siya ganun ka-pack yung base makeup. Light coverage yung mga ginamit ko. Kita ko talaga yung redness, nag-peek through yung mga spots ko. Pati yung dark circles ko nakita ko. Hindi ganito yung effect kapag yung talagang tinodo mo yung coverage. Or kapag gumamit ka ng high coverage na concealer, na foundation, parang wala akong masyadong nilagay na base. Unlike if I use foundation kasi alam ko yung effect dun na ginagawa niya sa skin ko. Anyway, I'm just trying to create a look using products that I haven't talked about. So, to continue, I have a curler. I'm going to use my mascara from L'Oreal, Lash Paradise. It's a bestseller, I think. Parang madaming rave about dito. It's long-lasting. Pero ang hirap niya i-wash off. Ang hirap niya tanggalin. When it's time to remove it, it's hard to remove it. Talagang nakaka-volumize and lengthen. Hirap linisin pero dami ko nilagay. Gusto ko yung shade of brown nitong middle color. So, I'm going to use it to do some contour moments. Complete yung shading, I'm going to use Balm Desert. Ito may pagka-pink undertone, pero okay lang naman. Dahil na sundo mo ko. Apply blush to it. And then I also like putting sa bridge ng nose. So. And lipstick na lang. So for lipstick, Sunny's Face Fluff Matte in shade Mood. Very nice matte formula, very light on the powdery side. Yung color payoff is good, pero hindi talaga siya long lasting. Try ko lang kung okay yung dark. So I'll start here. Parang hindi ko bet. So, let's change. Let's try yung other shade. Baked. Peachy shade. Yeah. I think I like this more. Mas bumagay siya dun sa brown. So, this is the finished look.